Hello, boys and girls. Let's do some math. All right, we are going to start off once again with our thinking caps. Now, we're continuing. There it is. There, nice and tight. We're continuing with our time. And we're going to practice both of our time lessons that we've done so far. What does that mean? What does that mean? Well, what it means is we're going to be telling time to the hour and to the half hour. Now, we practice this in the mornings as well, so it's nothing we haven't seen before, but we're going to put it all together right now as one. And your job, when I hold these clocks up, is to write down the time. Okay, so that's your work for today. We're not in the workbook again, just holding up our clock, and you're going to write down the time like you have been doing. You've been doing an excellent job of it. All right, so before we get to that, we have here our clock. And I have a super tip for you. That's right, a super tip. But a super tip can only be given to you by a super hero. Come on in. Super Monkey. Hey, Super Monkey. Hello, Mr. P. Hello, boys and girls. Super Monkey is here to give us a super tip. Now, what is your tip, Super Monkey? Well, boys and girls, when you look at a clock like this, if the minute hand, the blue hand, is pointing up directly at the 12, then it is telling an exact hour. And I look at the hour hand, it's pointing at 3. This is 3 o'clock. So remember, if the blue hand is pointing up at the 12, it is an exact hour. Okay, thank you very much. Good luck on the rest of your assignments today, boys and girls. I will see you later. Whoa, how about that? All right, super tip from a superhero. Now, if you thought that was all, if you thought that was it, no way, because we know a few superheroes, and I might just have another one. Oh, HR Rough and Stuff, you came in too quick. I was going to announce you. Oh, sorry, Mr. T. I was just very excited to come in. Hello, boys and girls. It's me, HR Rough and Stuff. Yeah. And HR has a super tip for us as well. Yes. Now, when we look at the minute hand here, the minute hand is the blue one, the longer one, because they're not always colored. But the longer hand is the minute hand. And when it's pointing down at the 6, that means 30 minutes have gone by. That means it is 30 past an hour. Now, when we have to tell the hour, we look and see the hour hand, the shorter hand, is in between the 3 and the 4 here. You see that? Well, our time runs this way, so it's still moving towards the 4. So it's 3, not quite 4. So it is 3, and 30 minutes have gone by. This is 3:30. That is my super tip for the day. When the minute hand is pointing at the 6, 30 minutes have gone by the hour. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, HR Rough and Stuff. Thank you for your time, boys and girls. I'll see you all later. Boy, much slower than... What was that? When Miss Super Monkey came by, he flew out of here really fast, and I was expecting you to do the same thing. Okay, boys and girls, we got our 2 super tips from our 2 of our super friends. I mean, we'll get our other super friend to come in here sometime later. I don't know. So I'm going to hold up a couple times, and you're just going to write them down. Remember our super tips from our super friends to help you out, okay? All right. So here we go. What time is that? What time do we have there? Okay. And how about this one? What time do we have here? And just write that down. Okay. Move right along. What time is that? Remember, look at the minute hand, look at the hour hand. Which one's the minute? Which one's the hour? Do you remember the super tip that told us? Okay. How about we go all the way to the bits? What do we have here? Okay. And good. And finally, why not go with this one? Okay. Now, just write those down. You don't have to draw the clock or anything. Just write those down. Remember the super tips that we had from two of our super friends. Barry Allen. I was hoping you would make it because we had our two other super friends, Super Monkey and HR Rough and Stuff, and they came. Now we were missing you, so here you are. Yes, here I am, boys and girls. Hello. I know you did awesome at your time. I watch you every single morning, and I've been looking at your homework with Mr. T. You guys have been doing amazing at telling time. Now always remember that the shorthand is the hour hand, and the longhand is the minute hand. Shorthand is the hour hand, and the longhand is the minute hand. Look at that. 3 super tips from our 3 superhero friends. Thank you very much, Barry Allen. I was just ready to let the boys and girls go to finish up their math. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Have a great time, boys and girls. I know you'll do awesome because you are awesome. All right, Barry, that's a good way to send them off. You are awesome. We will see you guys later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.